What's up, everyone? We are back. First time all year back out on Jordan 2021. I've really only been out like 2 or 3 times this year, and the weather has been absolute junk every single time. Of course, all week it was in the 70s, and then today it's overcast, and it is probably about in the mid 60s. I didn't film the intro because I didn't know how I was going to do today, and just got so excited to get out here that I honestly forgot as well. But second cast of the day, it's going to be pretty exciting. Stay tuned, wait for that catch, and hopefully we can go ahead and put some more fish in the boat. Thanks so much for everyone who is subscribed, who's following, and see if we can go wrangle us some new ones.
Oh my gosh, there's one. There's one. Second cast, boys. This is my first fish on an A-rig. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. That's a big one, guys. That's a big one, guys. That's a big one, guys. Yes! Let's go, baby! Woo! That's what I'm talking about right there.
That was a little workout, huh?
Smoke that A-rig. I'm not. That was my second cast. Take that all day long. Second cast. First A-rig fish. Let's go. Let's go, guys. 6'6". This is my first fish of 2020. Second cast. First fish on an A-rig. Let's go. Let's put her in the well, and let's go ahead and see what bag we can throw up today. Yeah, baby. Gosh, guys, that is just insane. Second cast ever. Well, second cast with an A-rig today. First fish ever on an A-rig. First fish bass of 21, and it went 661. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go!
Dang. I'm trying to replicate what I did this morning, but it ain't working so far. I've tried a bunch of different things and talked to a bunch of other people. They said it's been a slow day for them as well. So let's try to go find them somewhere else. All right, let's try this. See if we can pick anything up here. This is gonna be a short video. I only got that one. I got really lucky and caught that 6'6" on my second cast. Let's go try a couple more spots and
This video might be ending pretty soon here. Maybe not. Try again. This place is just getting crazy. It was busier. It was busy as it is, and now there's even more people out here. Hey, first fish of 2021, almost a 6.5 pounder. On a new bait I've never caught a fish on before. On the second cast of the day, I'll take it. Unless we get lucky, this might have to be it. For those that don't know, this boat is for sale, by the way. If you're interested, please let me know. I'm literally about to go home and go update the post. I put that I would available mid-April, but I need to make sure that I go ahead and I'm prepped for when my new boat comes in. So if you're interested, let me know and we can chat if you want to go ahead and you want to buy this thing. Fully loaded, two 10-foot Talons, 80-pound Ultrex, brand new 93 SV UHD Garmin graphs. It's loaded out. Let me know. Wow, so many boats. Kinda was hoping that I could go ahead and get some more fish though, but like I said, I'll take that one. On a new bait, gained a little bit of confidence. Also, I do not recommend these rods. Can you see that? You see those eyelids? Look at it. They're completely crooked off to the left side. Do not recommend this rod. We're gonna start with the A-rig and we're gonna end with the A-rig. Maybe we'll get lucky in the chaos of all of these boats. All right, that's gonna do it. Before we sign off though, let's go ahead, take a look at this beautiful fish again, and we'll close this out. Like I said before, if you're interested, this boat is going to be for sale. It's for sale right now. I'm about to go change it. I'm not going to wait until mid-April. I need to make sure that I can go ahead and get in my new boat when it arrives in May. So if you're interested, let me know, and let's take a look at this fish one more time. There you go, guys. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Just gorgeous. Look at that line in that eye too. Let's go. Let's go ahead, get this beautiful release on this fish. Thank you so much for all of you who have continuously subscribed, continuously support, like, share, you know, these videos. We might have a little bit of going back old school. Might do some pond hopping if I sell my boat. When I sell my boat, I have to sell my boat. If you're interested, I keep plugging that, but I gotta sell it. So if you know of anyone interested, let me know, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.